When creating projects, we may want to align objects in a particular way. And Canvas Workspace does have a limited range of alignment tools. These are accessible through the Edit menu and appear here where it says Align. There are various options and I'll show you just a couple here and then I will leave you to play. So let's take a look. We've got a long rectangle here which represents a DL card and I've got a circle. I'm going to duplicate that a couple of times so that I have 3, and the shortcut key for duplicate is D. You can also do that through the Edit menu here, or of course you can go for the old option of just Control V for copy and paste. But let's see, we want to spread these out maybe as apertures up the center of our DL card. So what I will do is I will select all of these by dragging a selection box over all of them, and then from the Edit menu I will go down to where it says Center and click. Now that has centered them. To distribute them, I would have to manually place them, as the online version of Canvas Workspace doesn't have any distribution options. If you do want that to feature as part of your project or as a feature of the software, then you would need to use the installed version, and I will obviously cover alignment and distribution there as well. So that's one example. Let's take a look at another. Say for example we want to give this card a decorative edge. What I would do is make sure that the sizes match, and then I would move this shape over the other, and rather than trying to eyeball this or position it by eye, I would select both shapes, choose Edit, and then this time I would choose the middle option. And that will align them both across the middle axis. Now let me clear these down and I will give you another example. Say for example I want this baby word to feature in the center of an aperture card. So let's emulate that aperture card by bringing on a square and a circle. So I will resize both of these to fit, and then I would select all 3, go up to my Edit menu, choose the center alignment, and then also the middle alignment. And that's now perfectly stacked all 3 so that the circle aperture is central to the square and that the text is central to the circle. So that's just a couple of examples. I would suggest that you do have a play with this feature now and try out the different alignment options to see what effects you get with the shapes that you have loaded onto your mat.